Alright, I think I'm done. Cycle rider going a little fast. Let's see what happens here. Oh no. No.
Hope that this situation will be a warning to all of the bikers who mustn't forget that it's them who are fully responsible for their passengers.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I'd be so pissed if that was like my daughter's boyfriend. Look at the jeans, they're already ripped. Oh, this person's going to a burn unit for a while. No, 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 no. It might be an unlisted video just kind of sent in. Yeah, I have a feeling like Psycho sent it in because there's probably like a lawsuit going on, but he wanted the fame. You know what I mean? Okay, so we're gonna watch the slow-mo part. So 280 something here. We're going way too fast. So this passenger, for whatever reason, fell off. Probably just because we're going and hauling ass. 267 kilometers an hour. Somebody put that in the chat, how fast that is in America units. So this person's going to fall off. Look how far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, we got massive amount of lines that we're passing and how much. So that's ripping off her gloves. So right now she's got all her gear just on. It's okay. Like, right. And by gear, I mean just regular denim. This is terrible. No holes in it yet. So now we're going to start to rip everything apart. So just look. This is why we have back protectors. I'm going to tell you guys right now, we're going to talk about mechanism of injury, and that's it. I'm not going to tell you what you have to do here because I don't think any of us here as smart riders are doing anything like this. I don't think we're doing this. Oh my gosh. Mechanism of injury, massive amount of road rash. We're talking all over the body. Now, impact, yeah, you're going to have a little bit of impact, especially when you're tumbling and everything. So possibly a few broken bones, maybe a lot of bruising. But we're removing probably 50% of our skin. That is terrible. Terrible. This is somebody that's going to be in a burn unit for a while. Skin grafts, everything. All because we wanted to ride with our buddies. And I'm not blaming her. I'm blaming the rider. I'm blaming this guy. Oh, man. So negligent. So this person is going to be tumbling everywhere. So that's why we have Kevlar lined and aramid fibers on the buttocks, is because of stuff like that. So she's ripping off flesh at this point. Her feet are gone. You can lose toes. And I don't mean gone. Her toes could be gone. Her feet are massively damaged. Now, imagine not being able to walk. So if she had a job, she can't do the job now. Missing toes, possibly. That it's easily an amputation at that point. Belly is torn up now. Back is torn up. Because now you're sliding backwards. At this point, the rescue kit, there's nothing you could do with this other than put on gloves. Like, this is how bad it is. Even the trauma kit wouldn't help. Burn gel is ridiculous. You're not going to do anything with that. That's an open wound at this point. This is rough. This is really rough. $165 miles an hour. $165 miles an hour. This person slid at least 1,000 feet. It pisses me off. It really pisses me off. There's one thing about it's a mistake. It's one thing that it's a mistake. It's another thing to have so much negligence that mistakes like this can be, that ruins her whole life. Completely ruins her whole life. It completely change, and maybe not ruin, but it completely changes. It's an life-altering injury. Just because of negligence. All right, I think I'm done. Nah, I don't want to end it on that. All right, let's get back into it. I spend all day, all day in class. I spent all day here, and we had a good time. We're having a good time. You know, we're learning a lot. You know, making fun of people. You know, poo-poo in the pantalones and all that stuff. But I mean, like stuff like that, just like that is what that's why I do this. That right there. I can have fun with people doing stupid mistakes and crashing. It's like, oh, I can even make fun of max risk. But something like that, where that person's probably purely innocent, especially a passenger. So let's get back into it. Let's end it on a good note, everybody. Let's end it on a good note. All right, Henry Jackson. Here we go, going around the corner. We are, oh, lots of dum-dums in front of us. Go ahead and increase that space cushion so you don't have to deal with those dum-dums. Move away. Good job. Oh, what are we doing here? Stay away from that. Stay in the back, because if they crash and you impact the crash scene, that's a no. No, don't follow just because you want to get it on camera. It's their emergency, not yours. Thank you, Crusader General, for the $5. Seriously, only real degenerates would be so negligent with a pillion. Before I even let my wife get on the bike, I bought her a full set of gear.
Biker made a decision to
I invested
quickly
$1,000 into her.
Which is why he ultimately faced to get control of his bike.
TRV pick. Oh, not paying attention. Hit the curb. Don't fall. Oh. Okay, so we got gloves, boots, but I think our pants are just normal pants. I saw it tear a little bit. Yep, his knee tore up a little bit. Maybe a jacket. Go ahead and invest in some actual gear. There you go. Yeah, let your buddy do it because you might be injured. And say thank you. Buy him some ice cream because he was so nice to you.
Get control of his bike.
Oh yeah, we're in the middle of a turn. So we're in the middle of a turn.
To get control of,
and we're gonna not set up for that turn. We're gonna swerve right into the opposite way we're supposed to be turning. So swerving hard. And we're not even set up for this turn. Yeah, that's what happened. So just kind of wait. So remember, multiple factors. We have a turn coming up. We should be in orange stage. We should be prepped and ready. So we should not be making jerky movements. Remember? Look far ahead, adjust speed, throttle control, relax, keep looking. No jerky movements is on that relaxing part. Once you're in the straightaway, go ahead and do that. There's no reason to do it right now. Max wrist wears full leathers. He is safety conscious. You're right. You're right. Why didn't I think of that? If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.